This is a Chucky Beat production.
First cars of the arrival, let's go. Unusual weather for today, the Ford Fiesta just pulled up, so yeah. We got these two cars. My boy pulled up in the Huracan Spider over there. Okay. Shit, would you look at that? The MP4 Telsey just showed up. All very nice and all very good. We got the Aventador just pulled up. Aventador Roadster. We got the 4AA GTB just arrived. Very good. Over here we got a BMW i8 as usual. He's always here. Got R35 GTR. Kind of good. But look who just managed to show up. My boy. R8 V10. Quite good. And we also got the Golf. This is also very nice. We got the Huracan Cerato, all former glory. Look at it in all this amazingness. Got the F8 Tributo Spider. And an Urus Performante. Air suspension, quite nice. But this, I like even more. Super nice. Huracan's back again, so yeah. We got the 991.1 GT3 just showed up, quite good. We got this dude just came, super nice. We got a 570 GT, sorry 570S. Just came, super nice. Alright, so we're all about to go by now, so yeah. Alright, let's get going. So we're at the next stop now, and the cars are, you know, as usual, cars are beginning to line up. I guess everything is, you know, kind of fine, very good. Super unusual, but yeah. Over here we got a wild LMC in the wild, but yeah, super nice.
Can I see the mirrors? Sorry.
Whoop, inside of a 570S, let's see how it basically goes. In a rear-wheel drive car in the rain. Very risky. You could barely hear that. That is literally the Aventador going all out. Look what just managed to show the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. Especially we even got this, the Aston Martin V12 Speedster in the rain. Who ever thought driving a ChironSS? But yeah. Alright, looks like that, we're about to go to the next location. So yeah, let's see how it basically goes. That's something. Good day, back in the 718 GT4, and let's see how it basically goes. So yeah. The crowd is basically loving it. Well, it's basically a little crowd, but well, whatever hopes it better get. This man is literally off-roading. Who ever thought about that? Nobody. Alright, we're slowly making our way through, but looks like it's not going to happen. Yeah, the crowd is basically loving it. It's super nice. is basically pay attention towards the Aventador, but not for the GT4 and the GT3. Like, what's even life? And just like that, time to make my way back home. Well, the GemballaGT just started up. Everything about it is actually quite good. But yeah. We got the V12 Speedster. Well, unfortunately he's driving within the rain, which is super unusual, but holy Christ, dude. Come on, bro.